Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making southern fried green tomatoes. Enjoy the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need green tomatoes, fresh parsley, lemon, garlic, flour, cornmeal, eggs, buttermilk, mayo, Dijon Mustard, ketchup, sweet relish, Louisiana Hot Sauce, Worcestershire Sauce, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Creole Seasoning, and Cayenne Pepper. Begin by thinly slicing the tomatoes. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Chop up some parsley. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, the juice of a half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of relish, minced garlic, parsley, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Season to taste with Creole seasoning, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Combine the ingredients. Cover with plastic and refrigerate. Now it's time for the breading. Add 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal to a bowl. Season to taste with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 eggs. Add a half cup of buttermilk. Add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Season to taste with Creole seasoning. Pat the tomatoes dry. Season the tomatoes to taste with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Place the tomato in the wet batter, then into the dry batter. Shake off any excess batter, and place on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Fry the tomatoes on each side for 2 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, southern fried green tomatoes. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.